here I have FOSSIBOT F101, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button, not this one, screen record. So if you tap on it once, recording starts. If you hold down your finger on it, nothing happens. So here you can switch audio source, you can record device, audio, microphone, or both. You can also show touches on the screen. So when you tap start, after this countdown, so recording starts. As you can see, it shows my where I tap finger. So when you're done recording, just go to the upper bar and tap stop. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery, to the special section like these movies, and yeah. Recording starts. As you can see, it shows my where I tap finger. So okay, when you're done, from here you can share, edit, or delete your recording, or perform other actions from this row. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.